Alright, let's go find what they talking about.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
So it says aisle 16, 7, 6, 3. So the closest one to me, let's see. Bum, bum, bum. I came over here to the produce so I could try to see what I need to try to see. All right, so we got one right here, 2, 3. Let's see what 3 got. I told my son they got his old snack right here. Hold on, man. Let me turn the Wi-Fi off. They got my son's old snack. This is my son's joint right here. He was. Let's see. I don't think it's down here with the huh? Oh, come on, man. They like, what are you doing with that camera, sir? Ooh, right here. So then,
Ain't that the tuna company or whatever?
Boom, and my son to hold it.
Alright, how many they want?
They want 2.
Wait, this ain't the same one. That's chicken.
Uh-oh. They ain't got 2. Alright, we got 2. Alright, so now food, snacks, candy. Ooh, aisle 3. We're still in aisle 3. Now we gotta find the top ramen. Boom. They want the trappy. Let me see. So, oh, come on, man. So the chicken flavor, they want 7 of them.
Dang.
All right, let me see.
Big batch, bro.
No, the chicken, that's beef.
Oh.
Chicken right here.
Oh.
Let's see, turn him around so I can scan him. Oh, hold on. They always do that. They be like Nishan, and they want Maruchan. No.
Let me see. They want
Merchant right there.
this is that. Oh, that's
Yeah,
top ramen.
right.
Oh. They the same to me.
Man, they the same thing, man. I don't know.
I'm sure if we would have brought that to him and
They'd have been like, hey, that's him.
yep.
But I'm sure there's people that, feel like,
know the difference.
yeah, like,
One might got.
wait, hold on. They saying aisle 3 got this and this. Oh, let's see.
Cheetos?
They saying aisle 3 got
Popcorn.
no, I don't think so. I think they tripping, brother. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's see. Aisle 4. Right. Aisle 5. All right, now that we in aisle 6, let's look for.
Cheetos.
Oh, they want to. This
How
is
big a bag?
3.25 ounce. That means a small little bag.
A baby bag.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that'd be in the front.
Sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, Werther's. They got some caramel in here. I'm saying, big tall man. You see some You see the Ooh, Werther's popcorn right there.
Yo, that's the caramel company.
Yes, sir. Oh, look. Hey, look. This man mouth watering and everything. He trying to get the popcorn, man. He said, man, let me get the popcorn from the people. All right. Look, and they saying that this and this is in aisle 6.
6?
The one we in.
Oh.
All right, let's see.
I know them pigskins is around here somewhere.
The pigskin should be right here. The question is it the right flavor? Get them for me. Man, pigskins ain't that bad, bro. You know what I'm saying? The old people put me on back in the day.
My grandma told me about them.
All right, yep, that's them. Now.
Way better.
Oh, well, that's because, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, we vegan, so they, you know what I'm saying? They make.
They got that one Louisiana chip company that mom be spazzing on.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. You know the voodoo flavor one?
Yeah.
And
then look, this is the company I'm talking about. That's what it looks like. What you talking about? It's just like a red bag though. Baby hot Cheeto. Okay, it's not. It's this bag to be yellow. But small hot Cheetos. Who said how many ounces?
3.2. I don't think it's in this aisle for real. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, y'all. We got a couple items to get, and we'll see y'all in the car. All right, so that wasn't too bad. You know what I'm saying? That wasn't too bad. We went and got a couple things, and they wanted some repeats, and we figured it out. Now, I gotta figure out, Uber's navigation system is trash. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold y'all. Like, there's one thing that's like, you know what I'm saying? The navigation system is
It might help if you had better internet.
man, I don't know. I don't know if that'll help. I don't know. But so I just seen something, right? I don't know. So if you weren't watching my videos the other day, I took a loan out on my Uber Pro card. So every time I do an Uber trip, from that point, the amount that I get from the trip goes directly to pay off the loan, right? I haven't done that many Uber trips, so then the loan is just there and then stack it up, and then now I need some money. I'm like, man, look, man, I'm gonna have to do like 1,000 trips, you know what I'm saying, to get this loan money and then get back into the green, you know what I'm saying? But in the whole seeing the loan, I seen something else, right? I seen my state, which is Washington's, ordinance requirements for minimum wage and all this other stuff. Now, I don't know what most of the stuff mean. It's just jargon and talking and stuff. You know what I'm saying? If you don't say, I'm gonna pay you more money per trip, I don't know what you're talking about. But there's a section inside of there that says, like workers' compensation or sick days or stuff like that. So I'm like, ooh, it said you got 3 sick days, and then I said, okay, and then it moved to 4, and it was like, you got 4 sick days, and then it says with an average pay of $25 per day. So I said, ooh, that's smooth. So I went in there and I claimed 3 of the days because I haven't been doing any Uber trips. I haven't been able to do any Uber trips, right? So I'm like, okay, boom, I'm going there and claim like 3 days. You know what I'm saying? Which, simple math. $25 per day, 3 days, $75. That'd be smooth. Man, I went in there, claimed the 3 days, and they said within 14 days is when it'll credit to your account. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to wait 14 days. I just went in there right before I went online right now. It said a deposit of like $73 and some change. Cause it's like $24 and some change. A deposit of like $73 and some change went to my Uber Pro card. So my loan is more than halfway paid off just with the sick and workers' comp days. So that's a cool little loophole, and hopefully I can get, what's it called? A tip, something. You know what I'm saying? That'll help me out some more as I get out to, I'm talking about, and get back to the bread. And we'll talk to y'all soon. Man, y'all thought it was over with. I thought it was over with. I went all the way to Bum Africa, man. I ain't get no orders. I got a little order and went and dropped it off, and everything else was trying to send me off the ripper, man. I went 2 cities away. They talk about $4, $6, $3. I said, man, listen, I ain't doing none of that. So I went all the way. I went the long way on purpose. Went around, went to my main store, searched for my food. You know what I'm saying? And I brought y'all in with me, brought the camera in with me and everything. Man, halfway into searching for the food, I got an order. So I'm going to pick that up right now so we can go and drop that off, and then that'll be the last order for the day. So let's see how it go. Hey, so now we just delivered the African food. You know what I'm saying? We delivered the African food to, side note, right? It's interesting how the things that you experience when you're delivering food for a living, like culturally. So like the types of people that order Asian food or Indian food or African food or American dining, right? See, Indian and African food is one of those that I've rarely delivered it to someone that wasn't from that culture. Like, they know what they're going for, and they eat the food that's cooked and from the culture that they're accustomed to. And that's interesting. But anyways, we delivered it. It's good. We headed home. I ain't gonna say it's been amazingly fruitful because the tips haven't came in yet. So there's some estimated tips that's still out there in the universe that hopefully they come in a little higher than was anticipated. And we're gonna be completely done with this payback joint looking like tomorrow. So then next week we sock all the money to our pocket like a rocket. We'll see you guys later. Have a blessed night.